wala pang bisikleta. And 1920s, meron ng e-bike if we compare. Yes. Ang mga police, 1950s, hindi pa ganun ang kanilang mga uniforme. But ganun ngayon, ganun ang uniforme. Yes, we're shooting, and of course, we're gonna take you a walk right in here. Always remember, yes, pwede silang mag-TikTok. Noon, wala pa yata ang TikTok. Pero ngayon, pwede na mag-TikTok, diba? Also, we can see in here, wow, this beautiful, it was amazing. That was the greatest statue. And we're gonna go more closer at para umikot at mag-take ng photo. Look at that. At napakaganda this one. And we can imagine, and later, a while ago, hindi namin maisip makalain na we can get the hanbok in this one. And we gotta like really like more closer and we can see. Wow. Napakaganda. Ang ganda po mga kaibigan. And first maya-maya. Terminal airport, and of course it's a little bit early, so we're gonna go check in right in here at the Jeju Air. So we're gonna fly and buy some cranberry. No, I'm all joking. If you're new in my channel, you can subscribe and comment down below. It's a lovely day. Siyempre, you can. Yes, hindi ka mawawala. But if you're gonna go in the toilet, you're gonna go and eat or something. Yes, it's a little bit like early. Yes, kumusta po kayong lahat? So, welcome to the Incheon International Airport. So, nakapag-check-in na tayo ng maaga. So, we're gonna go right in there. You can check the flight. That's the departure area. It's not so much. Wala pang people right in here. Yes, if we're gonna go to Phuket, Kota Kinabalu, Narang, lots of airlines. So right now it's a little bit early, so we're gonna go find something to eat. Kain muna kami. And right in, wow, look, you can imagine mga travel credit. This one, it was amazing. It was so brilliant. Magagawa tayo ng vlog or video right in here in the most famous, the Great Wall of Palace. Alamin ko mamaya kung anong lugar ng pinunta ko. This one is located in Myeongdong. Yes, sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat. And of course, I would like to dedicate sa ating moment. Drama location. Yes, maraming beses natin napanood ang mga K-drama location right in here. This everything like that before, and I wanna go outside again para gumawa ng another video sa ating channel. Yes, magandang gabi po. Imaga po sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga travel cards. Love to so besides hindi naman po sa inyong lahat at cousin. Like this, I'm not talking about it and come on. And look at yes, the couple they in here, and of course my family they take an auto, and of course tulay ng prinsesa, and of course ang tatay ng prinsesa. Ewan mo siya nga ba tulay ng tatay kasi sila magkakaroon. So we're gonna take care of what right in. Imagine the gate, the old gate, and of course that's the city, the big building. And of course we can see in here. Look at that. Amazing. And we're gonna take a walk in the city. Doon tayo sa city.
What else?
Yes, mga dapat ko na ando na sila. Visit pa rin sila sa take ng photo. But right now, I'm gonna go in there at lalapit tayo. And of course, because we rent these ones only like cost like 9,000 won. Parang like $8 sa atin. Imagine like $8. How much is like 400,000 pesos? This is all we do. We're gonna take a walk. Diba? Ito. Ang dami. Imagine that if they wear this, if they wear the Korean hanbok, it looks like you are parang kang tunay na prinsesa. and they take a photo. And then this one, wala pa naman tayo, mapambok naman siya. Pero check walking, dahil yung one of the mga kasama because is, syempre kasama ka na yung iba na is the good detail. This room really so brilliant and it was so fascinating to watch. And that start counter, look at that, and dun sa tulong. So, ang ganan ko budget may dun sa minsan sa para ipakita ko sa inyo. Magtatanong nga pala ako sa tatay ni Princess Jewel, bakit mo ibinenta ito? Tinangga mo. Wala ka pang pilihan si Carillo. So daw siya. Yeah, it's not always joking. Kasi kailangan natin magpugot, sumaya bago tayo katayin. Hindi ka nga sa bago katayin ang may sala last supper. Ito na yung parang ito na yung pinaka last supper. No, I'm only joking. This one is really good. Ang ganda, di ba? Kahit umulan, bumagyo, gumuhuman ang planet Mars, matibay pa rin yan. Diba? Parang haliginan sa kahanan. Kung walang ama, hindi mabubuo ang tahanan. Kung walang ilaw ng tahanan, hindi mabubuo ang tahanan. Kaya ganda. Yeah, it was amazing. It was amazing right in there. So, just like doon sa area. Oh my God, medyo mainit nga lang siya. Medyo mainit ka. Because the hanbok, what you call the pants is naligaw kami ng landas. Saan ba? Walang elevator. Ay, wala pang elevator kasi walang panahon, no? Landahan ka. Yan, di ba? O, paano ba yan? Oy, yan, we need to be careful. Baka makapakan ka ng hanbok. Alright, finally. Yes, mga driver ka, imagine this one. How many decades and how many years before the century is kasi this one is wow, it's really like, it's like milestone. Talagang, parang stone talaga siya na hindi mawari. But this one is, I think, they reconstruct to make a good quality. At ilang panahon na to, ilang taon na. And of course, they call this the Palace Museum of Korea. Well, we're gonna go out sa kabilang mundo. Hindi pa rin sila tapos may tawanan na halik-gigikan, di ba? Kasi napakadalang magkaroon ng time na para mamasyal. So right now is tapos na dito sa loob and we're gonna go outside the world para let's try. So ito na mga Jawar Card, sa ibang mundo na kami. And then this one, imagine 1558 and to the right, to the left 2023. And imagine that, di ba? Parang alayo mo ka sa kabihasnan and we see the beautiful world. Hello. And in here like 2020, parang AI na. Dito may Android na. Dito wala pang Android. Ano ba yun? May truck? Ano ba yun? Wow, mali mo naman ako. But it's really good, di ba? Yeah, dito may, imagine that may LED na doon. Di ba? Dito back in 2015, walang truck noon. Yan, wala pang LED dito. Wala pang traffic light. Dito may 911 na. May CCTV. But in here, walang CCTV. Dito may malaking building. Dito walang malaking building. Ay saya-saya. Well, wala ganun lang ang buhay. Saan pa ako huhugot? Lahat nasabi ko na eh. And syempre dito ginagawa nila yung internet. And of course 1950s wala pang internet. Wala pang internet. Yes, and then we're gonna take a walk. And of course we went lang ang aming dress ng may salita 1 hour lang. So kailangan namin bumalik sa time pass. Parang yung what you call that, yung may pelikula yan eh. Wow, look at that LED 2023, di ba? Amazing, ang ganda. Dito 1950s, walang LED. Di ba, look at that. Ang ganda talaga. Wow. Buo. It was so fancy and it was so brilliant. San ka pa? Tutok ka lang. And ladies and gentlemen, it's siya ang may kasalanan. Bakit niya ibinenta ang bansang Korea? Ang tatay ni Jewel in the palace kasi wala siya pabiling sigarilyo. Look at that. Kung ibabalik mo siya sa mundong pinanggalingan niya, walang marlboro sigarilyo. May hawak sa sigarilyo, di ba? Wala din ang unang panahon. Oh, di ba? Pero 1950s, meron shade. Meron na prinsesa na kasi nagsishade, di ba?
Ay, pwede na.
Ang saya-saya. Oh, we gotta go inside.
Dito lang sa pinaka.
Pwede na pumasok like that inside. Wow, ang ganda. Look at the, it's not like the Times Square. At ang magandang LED light in there. It was amazing. So I wanna go to closer later. At napakadami pa rin. So we gotta take a walk para abutin yung gate. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, 1950s, wala pang bisikleta. And 1920s, meron ng e-bike if we compare. Yes. Ang mga police, 1950s, hindi pa ganun ang kanilang mga uniforme. But ganun ngayon, ganun ang uniforme. Yes, we're shooting, and of course, we're gonna take you a walk right in here. Always remember, yes, pwede silang mag-TikTok. Noon, wala pa yata ang TikTok. Pero ngayon, pwede na mag-TikTok, diba? So we can see in here, wow, it was amazing. That was the greatest statue. And we're gonna go more closer at para umikot at mag-take ng photo. Look at that. At napakaganda this one. And we can imagine, and later, a while ago, hindi namin maisip makalain na we can get the hanbok in this one. And we gotta like really like more closer and we can see. Wow. Napakaganda. Ang ganda po mga kaibigan. And first maya-maya lang po ako ay mamamaalam na. And of course, syempre, meron magta-take ng photo eh. And this one, I think, binago na lang nila ito eh. And then this one too. This one is, they call it like the great like statue. It was amazing. Wow. Ang ganda. And imagine that 1950s and of course 20